Hi everybody, thanks for joining me. We are approaching a season change. Yes, it's almost spring, but that's not the season I'm talking about. The season around here is what we call maple syrup season. And I am going to take us for a walk in the woods to set a couple taps in trees for the maple sap, and trees that I have been tapping now going on 25, 30 years. They are the larger of the sugar maples I have on my property, and it is mid-March, and I am getting ready to tap a tree that we have been tapping for maple syrup for many years. It's a good sized tree. It's good 2 feet in diameter. If you look closely here, you can see an old tap hole that's healed right there as well. Right there. Right here. Right here. Right there. So as you can see, we've been tapping this particular maple for quite some time, and we're going to tap it again today. Sap's running really well. Just need to purge out the sawdust remains so it doesn't plug up my hoses. As you can see, it's dripping quite well. You see, I've made a Y out of a hose, basically a splitter, so I can put 2 taps in one big maple tree like this. we are going to collect some sap, and in an upcoming video, I will provide footage of boiling down the sap into maple syrup and show you that whole process. So stay tuned. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching.